Morning. I'll try to keep this one a little shorter than yesterday. So for this one, you'll need either a foam roll or one of these 2-pound medicine balls. I blow it up to about 30 psi, so it's super hard. So that way you can use it for myofascial release. So on this one, what we're doing is we're going after the chest. Again, I'll try to get down here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm laying directly on the ball. And it's important that you have it skin on skin, because that's going to create that tug in the fascia and actually pull and abstract that tissue a little bit. Your body is kind of like a giant fascia suit, if you think about brittle Laffy Taffy. And then I'm going to reach over here. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can reach over and grab the edge of a couch or the bottom of some furniture or whatever you can grab to be able to pull. And then I'm just going to lean away again, really slow. And you can kind of find that spot that's really tight. And if I wasn't on camera, I'd just kind of hang my head down, so I'm not having to hold my head up the whole time. Again, I'm real slowly using the weight of this kettlebell to pull my arm and abstract it out of the joint a little bit, so it's creating some a little bit of just a tug on the skin. And then you can move this around to find the spot that's the most tender. If you don't have one of these balls, I can do the same exact thing with a foam roll. Just put the foam roll down here, get on the corner of the foam roll, reach over to the edge, and do the same exact thing. The foam roll is actually kind of nice because you can use the corner of the edge of the foam roll if you want to target a little bit more, like right on the outside of the pec. This is one of my favorite ones for chest, to get the chest to let go. And the thing with fascia is you have to kind of just be patient and sit here and hang out, because it's really super stubborn. It has about 2,000 pounds per square inch, so of pressure that it can tug. So sometimes I hang out here for literally 5 minutes, and you'll feel the tissue start to release, and it'll basically the knots will start coming out. Okay, this is one of my favorite ones for chest. Hope that was super helpful, and God bless you. Have a good day.